Hello, it's me again, and I'll be taking you through the materials that you need for an electric fence. In this case, we start with the strainer. These are strainer insulators, the ones that we use for the end corners and also the end posts. So the corner post and the end post, maybe let's say at the gate entrance and all that, we need the strainers. And we have also what we call inline insulators. Yeah, inline insulators. These are ones that are holding our lines off the post. Yeah? Remember, if you're using a metallic post, the moment the two conductors come in contact, that will be shorting. And here we have our ground rod. The ground rod I use for grounding system. Remember, we need like at least 3 for the grounding system at the terminal, and the other one for more support. This one is our GI square tube. The GI is the material that has been used. You see it's perforated, and it has been also perforated very correctly to fit in the insulators. So the insulators will be fitted. The holes you're seeing there will be using rivets, and these rivets, using a rivet gun, this one I'm holding, I'll be able to mount the insulators on this square tube. And then other than that, we have the electric fence wire, the one you're seeing aside. So the electric fence wire, in this case we are using stainless steel fence wire, and this is 1.5 millimeter. It's a very strong electric fence wire, and this one can give a good voltage. So this one can even stand up to 10,000 volts, as you can see it. This roll is about 500 meters, as you can see. And then we have the Energizer. And the Energizer, I want to take you through when it's open. So the key is the switching on and off. That is switching the power from now the Energizer to the fence. That's the key. The plug, you can see, is to power the mains, from the mains to the Energizer. You can see the step-up transformer and the battery is connected to the step-up transformer. Then also you can see the 3 terminals. So the one that's for the input, and the 2 that's the ground, and the live for the output. So the input will be looped direct to the battery to ensure that we get the power off even when the mains are off. And this side you are seeing, this is for the alarm system, the siren, the one I'm holding. Then there's for the strobing light, the one that indicates when the siren is on, and the other one is to ensure the looping and all that. Yeah.